Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are looking to pay a person who's using a Capitec and you're also using a Capitec but you don't have their account number, it's simple. So you just need to have their cell phone number so you can pay them via cell phone number. So I'm going to show you how you can do that in few simple steps. And you go to pay beneficiaries. You have to key in a secret pin. Then you need to add a beneficiary. So you need to add Capitec Cellphone because we don't have their account number. So on beneficiary name, I'm gonna say Mr. Sviso Gwenya. Okay, and I just need their cell phone number. And then on choose notification type, I'm gonna do an SMS, but I recommend that you use Sviso's number so that he receives a notification of the money coming into his account. So I'm just going to key in his cell phone number. So I'm gonna click done and I'm going to add him as a beneficiary. I'm just going to confirm with my secret pin. Okay, so he's been successfully added as a beneficiary. I'm going to pay him. Let me say I'm going to pay him 50 Rand. So I can choose from which account I want to pay him. It can be savings, it can be my flexible account, it can be my credit card account. So it all depends on from which account do I want to pay him from. If you scroll up and down, you can see at the bottom there is pay. So I'm just gonna click on pay. I want to confirm that I'm paying Sviso Ngwenya 50 Rand. So the payment is a success and Sviso Ngwenya has been notified that he has received 50 Rand from me, and I have also received a notification that he has been paid. So this is how you pay someone who's using a Capitec. Also, whilst you're using a Capitec, if you don't have their account number, you just use their cell phone number. So guys, I hope you found this helpful to you. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, as I am still bringing you more and more videos on the new Capitec app, and I'm already enjoying the new Capitec app already. I hope you are too.